Question 19 is about definition. Sorry, you really need to remember it, lest you will lose 1 mark. So important chemistry reaction definition you remember. What you need to hear is hydration. Enthalpy hydration. Our definition is from gas to aqueous state. Definition. It must start from a gas state. So only A and C are correct, okay? Sorry, B and D are incorrect, okay? By definition. And then we just want to know the enthalpy of hydration, okay? Just these changes. So other things don't change. So bromide ion is bromide ion at first and at last. So the answer is no change of the bromide ion, only hydration. So which one? Yes, you got it, easy. Well done, guys. Okay. See you for next question.